We're going to add tea tree oil to this because it helps to remove odors, sweat, germs. There's not a lot left in this bottle. We're going to end up using the bottle. There we go. And we're going to just sort of roll it around in here, so we're trying to evenly distribute it as best we can. Okay, it's about 20 drops. There's about 20 drops in there, and we're going to add some lemon. And about 20 drops of that. I like to try and keep the same scent in the laundry soap, in the scent booster, and the only variation I may make is if I'm putting oils in the dryer ball, and then it's lavender always. Sometimes lavender and Stress Away, sometimes lavender and bergamot, sometimes lavender and, you know, you get the drift. When COVID was at its worst, I had lemon and geranium on the dryer balls, and I used that to help guard against MRSA, whatever it is. Now we're going to scoop this into our container to keep at the wash machine. And I find that this size scoop works well. I don't remember where I got. Oh, I got it from the protein powder. I could have easily done an entire bar of soap, a couple of cups, but I'm low on baking soda and I still have to make dishwasher stuff. So this will get me through till I can get more. Alright. When you have an autistic boy in the house, you need some powerful stuff. Because, man, he can throw down when it comes to laundry. I've broken a Maytag washer with him when he was young. Because he's a puker. As well as all the other things that go with autism. So that's all set. That's going to sit at the wash machine with my other laundry care products. Now we're going to do dishwasher, which I use a lot. We're going to have three cups of borax or washing soda. Arm & Hammer washing soda works well, just as well. They're kind of interchangeable in this world. And then 3 cups of baking soda. Hopefully I have 3 cups. 1. Close enough.